All right, my lovely friends. Sorry. This is what a day. No, seriously. Bear with me a moment. So it's Tuesday, August 18th, 2020. Are you ready for this? Not one, not two, but three. Three reasons why today is special. It's very special because history was made not once, not twice, but three times today. Let's talk about that. Let's put it all together. Okay, let's do that. Nasdaq, another all-time record close. S&P 500 today just closed at yet another all-time record high. Now, none of you are surprised that follow this guy's blog because I told you last week that this would happen. Wow, I have a nice little crystal ball, don't I? But we have one more. One more all-time record. So again, Nasdaq, new record. S&P, new record. And here's the final one. The S&P 500 just came out of a bear market. We all know that. The market took a dump. I told all of you I sold my stocks, my core positions on a Friday. The following Monday, the market cratered. Well, what today did is mark the fastest recovery from a bear market in history. People, you know what's causing this. It's easy money. Like again, we are doing today the equivalent of the TARP program. You remember Obama, the TARP program? Every single day. So where else do you expect that stocks will go or continue to go while we are in an economic deep freeze? A culling of small businesses. I'm not laughing at the culling, but it's insane. Millions and tens of millions of people out of work. It's all good because, new record highs for the stock market. Unbelievable. Again, this is the kind of a situation where you can't make it up. Now, I want to talk about this real quick. So, Mike Lindell, the My Pillow guy. The My Pillow guy, look, I got nothing against him. I don't know him from anyone, but I see him on TV all the time, with his pillows. And frankly, I bought one of these pillows. I did not like it. In fact, it's right there. You see my closet. You can't see it. It's right there. It's right there. It's sitting there because I don't like the pillow. Okay, but anyway, that's neither here nor there. Some people really do like these pillows, and I just doesn't work for me. I need like a really kind of mushy kind of a pillow. It didn't work. Anyway, so this guy Mike Lindell, the my pillow guy, he's he's become an MD, PhD, and maybe even a Nobel laureate overnight. I don't know, but he's pushing this oleander as a cure for the coronavirus. Now, look, for all I know, it may be, but I personally, I'm very dubious about this. I know President Trump is following this up too. Maybe they're both right. I don't know, but I just find it a little odd that the My Pillow guy, who's actually going to be a keynote speaker at President Trump's upcoming rally, okay, that's all well and good. I just find it kind of strange. Computer geeks pushing vaccines and now a pillow guy pushing some kind of alternative therapy. Maybe they work. I don't know. Just sounds kind of strange to me. How about you? Seriously. All right, so let's go back to these markets real quick. So new record highs for the Nasdaq, the S&P, a historic landmark today, the fastest recovery from a bear market in history. But the dollar again was the real story to me. The dollar has been getting cremated. I think we just hit a 27-month low with regard to the dollar, and there's no recovery in sight for the dollar. Again, why? The Fed is finishing it. The Fed is going to phase out the dollar in its current form, issue in their new dollar. There's no doubt. Everyone knows it. Everyone in the know knows it. It's very simple. It's been a plan in the works for quite a long time. But again, understand that there's going to be a ripple effect because of it. And one of the major effects that's beneficial to Wall Street, to guys like me, to my lions out here, is stocks just keep going up. Again, as the dollar continues this death spiral, okay, it takes more weaker dollars to buy everything, even shares of stock. So although we are all gleeful on new record highs for the market, understand what we're actually talking about. We're talking about a market that is priced in weaker dollars. You know, you don't got to be a rocket scientist to figure this stuff out. I mean, henceforth, why? We got call after call after call from the President of the United States, Donald Trump, for, lower rates, weaker dollar, makes the stock market look better than it actually is. But President Trump thinks you're stupid. I know that you're not stupid. That's a whole other thing here. So anyway, with that aside, understanding people, look, I got to just do this. I got to do it. And I'm going to tell you why I got to do it. What I'm about to tell you is almost freakishly insane, but I'm going to just share it with you. I get tons and tons of emails from people. Most of them are really good. Some of them are pretty bad. But there are some people out here that are attacking me for trying to tell people that they should bet against the debt and become their own central bank. In other words, hold a hard asset like gold, silver, and of course, I'm a big cryptocurrency advocate here. But again, there are some people out here that I don't know what their problem is. They are so indoctrinated into, I don't know, maybe they just love the dollar. They want to, I don't know. Why would you want to be in a dollar that is a sinking asset when you could be in other assets that are massively suppressed? I just don't get it. But again, I get bombarded with this kind of stuff all the time. Really, I just don't. Look, I'm speechless. I'm just speechless over this stuff. All right, look. So let's just summarize here and let's put this together. What we have here is a market that we all know has no bearing on reality. It's totally distorted beyond belief. And Goldman Sachs today raised their year-end target for the S&P 500 several hundred points higher than it is right now. Not the Dow, because the Dow can go up and down several hundred points in, like an hour. But we're talking about the S&P 500. And understand also, please, and keep politics out of this. I'm just telling you from a trading standpoint because I want you to win here. Goldman Sachs is pricing in a Biden win. The Wall Street banks are pricing in a Biden win, and that's why stocks are going up as well. And we're going to play this right. I covered this yesterday. No matter who wins the freak show, because that's what it is. Biden is a freak. President Trump is a freak. And whatever freak ends up in the freak show office, I don't particularly care who it is. For me, it's about capitalizing on the charade, the circus act that we are involved in, and that includes betting against the debt and becoming your own central bank. So for that's the funniest thing. Let me go back to that real quick. For those people that attack me for telling people that they should be holding gold and silver and cryptocurrencies, first of all, I've nailed it to the wall, but they don't even offer an alternative. Greg, you're wrong about gold and silver. Cryptocurrency is still going to zero. Let's see, I've been hearing that since Bitcoin 2,700. It's now about 12,000. So I'm still waiting for that. But again, these kind of people, that they say these things, but they offer no solution whatsoever. See me? I explain to you the situation, how it's playing out, what we can expect, but I don't just sit here and just blab things out of my mouth. I'm doing this so you and I don't get fleeced. What we've done, you and me, is turn the tables. We've just flipped it around. Good, they're going to play their game. We're going to play our game. You understand? It could be easier. And that's, something I am exceedingly proud of here. Exceedingly proud of. Months ago, again, I started my free newsletter. There is a link in the description of this lovely video. I posted dozens and dozens and dozens and dozens of positions, not one realized loss. Not one single realized loss yet. It's incredible. And it's free. It's freaking free. All right, look, I'm out of here. I think I covered this for you. But look, just think about what I said. We broke 3 records today. This day will live in infamy. Just like the entire environment we are in will live in infamy, people. This is so twisted. It is so sick. And we, the people, are getting caught in the middle of this thing where we have the My Pillow guy now pushing a miracle cure. Is he right? I don't know. Look, I don't know anything about oleander. It may freaking be the cure, all right, for all I know. But the My Pillow guy, really? All right, look, I'm out here. Love you a lot. See you tomorrow.